What do we got going on today? Just kidding. We're not doing that one. I'm gonna be fixing a frame. And my son's going to a graduation party. Leaving on his bike. But this thing was dropped off probably about a week ago. It's pretty bent up. It's got a bunch of broken welds, broken mount. You can see the welding on some of these is okay, and then not. This tubing, if you want to call it that, is basically sheet metal. So yeah, should be tactacular fun. Got the machine set up for flux core. I'm just gonna tack away at this. Not gonna be fun. It's about 45,000 tacks, but we'll get it done. Gotta get it straightened out first. Had to cut the power down quite a bit on this stuff. It's pretty thin. Yeah, that straightened it out pretty good. I should hold it. The thing I like about the flux core, besides being outside, is I can just paint or weld right through the paint. So this frame is to one of those big ass Halloween skeleton dudes you find at Home Depot. I guess it got caught in a storm. So that's it. Just some low and slow tacks to get this thing back together. Just got to do the other side. I got to do all these inside corners since there's like no welds on it. See there? No welds in there. It'll be a lot stronger. And then I got to weld the bracket back on. Just keep going with this. If anybody's wondering, hey, where's your PPE? Don't worry, you'll be fine. It is too freaking hot to layer up. I ain't doing it. Well, I think they might be all those. Get this bracket welded back on. These things tore right out of the steel. They're so thin. I'm just going to add a little more mass to these brackets. There isn't even a weld on this side. I think that's it. Got the frame pretty straight. That's nice. Every single joint is welded now. I like half or less than half that it was before. Some of the weaker spots I just globbed on extra weld. Let's spread the load a little bit. But yeah, should be pretty good. And if anybody's wondering, if you happen to see these from the other video, these Unity strut assemblies, they went on to that. We took about 130-mile round trip yesterday. They were fine. It felt good. Handled the road nice. Hit some rough New York roads. It was fine. Road smooth. But anyway, I think that does it for this one. And I will catch you on the next one. See ya.